Welcome in this video. In this video I am going to show you $10 million totalized airdrop that is pretty much straightforward to join. Just watch this video and join properly. So what you need to do in order to join in this airdrop, and before we going to this, we are seeing that here is a Galaxy investor of this project. How amazing is this, that Galaxy is done by Plume network, and that provided incentivize testnet. So emerging, and I'm so excited about it because of $10 million fund as well as Galaxy has been invested here. So come into my Telegram in order to join in this airdrop, and here I already posted my latest post, and that is last post of my channel. And here is what we need to do is two link I already provided, and already I written by all sort of thing that what you need to do going into that link. Okay, first connect wallet and min plume gon nfts. So this is the first link. If I click on that link will bring me inside of here. So here is what you need to do. The page would be different. Connect your wallet and they will pop up certain number that congratulations you get this. Okay, after doing that, this page will be pop up. What we need to do, add inside of your metamask this plume testnet network. Okay, I click on that thing and go to metamask. Okay, what I need to do is here just add a plume network inside of your metamask. Okay, that is testnet token. And after doing that, what you need to do is taking some faucet and minting their ultimate nft. That is our work here. So sorry for misleading. So here is our page, and here is I'm not eligible because of I maybe those who did before uh certain task like uh um their div from that I shared. If I show you inside of my telegram, here is if I oh sorry, if I click on here and search by plume, maybe you can see the three posts I already posted here. So here is couple of guy joined. One guy has messaged here done. So please, if you watch this video done right and by, please do join. Okay, 26 people has been showed this post, and if one of those who watched this video joined in this joint plume network before, please do this task now. Okay, so it is not for new. Okay, but watch this, learn from it, and how you can do that. Okay, so after doing that, what you need to do is um nothing. Here is if you click on here, something would be minting nft. And after doing that, what we need to do, come into here, and our latest post breeze link that I provided, click on that breeze link. That breeze link will bring you inside of here. Okay, I'm showing you. So here is breeze. Okay, so connect wallet, click on here and click that metamask, and here is check out your metamask notify, and it is opening. Okay, so it is simple as that. So never take this complex way. Okay, it's straightforward, nothing complicated, easy and straightforward. Okay, so go back there. It has been okay. So here is what I need to do in order to doing the transaction. You need to go to faucet page. Okay, so if I showed you where you will get the faucet, here is I already put on. Okay, so in order to getting faucet, maybe somewhere else it is transfer. Okay, learn more documentation. If I click on here, maybe somewhere else has faucet option. Okay, so you don't need to have faucet now, just swap Sopila to Plume. Okay, so I'm doing swap here 0 point. I have couple of Sopila. Okay, if you don't have, just take it from Alchemy or search on Sopila faucet, and there's a lot of website has, they will give you. Okay, so 0.0 on, and click this transfer and check out that MetaMask is MetaMask get notified or not. Absolutely will be. Okay, so click on this MetaMask head option because MetaMask get notify, and here is or will be, here is we are seeing that MetaMask is loading, and it will be it will be execute now. Okay, so click on the Swiss network, and okay, it is switched because we were in Plume network. So now if I go there, maybe I need to connect again or wallet. Click on this connect again. Okay, click this MetaMask head option and check out your. Okay, so I'm trying over and over again because testnet, it's sometimes show me like showing you, it's slightly difficult because of everything is new mm, in blockchain. So yeah, sorry for that. Because of you are learning something, there is no time wasting. Okay, as well as earning. Okay, money time has value. So both of us happening here, nothing cost you. So now it will be work. Okay, if I show you again. Okay, it is already connected, nothing need to do here, just cancel this. Okay, and now I need to put my amount now here. Maybe it will be work now pretty much straight away. Okay, so and we are doing swap Sopila to Bloom. Okay, we are doing breeze, not swap here because it is different network. Now click on this transfer asset. Now you need to check manually your MetaMask. Okay, and go to your MetaMask and done the confirmation. You have to done this task, like simple as that, nothing complicated. I'm saying those who did before Plume network testnet, do this seriously. Okay, and you can try out that are you eligible or not. Okay, I showed you already, so do confirm. Maybe this Airdrop will give you something. Okay, in the later time anyhow, and click this confirm button to complete this confirmation. Okay, straightforward, it's simple as that. um we are all of here is on on intention is making money. Okay, so make money and preserve it and multiply it, be serious about it. Okay, because majority will suffer with money. I'm saying I will keep post every day. I never quit either I'm in comfort or boredom doesn't matter. I will do post every day. Sometimes maybe you hear my voice, you know, uh, um, you know, hilarious, and sometimes you hear me like bored to say, but I never will stop from doing curating video. Okay, because I believe that we are all of can make money from Airdrop, and I want to help you. I want to please let me know more about what kind of Airdrop you want to do. I will do those. Okay. So here is our transaction has been done. We did swap, and whatever if you are eligible, do that. If you don't, do that, and maybe something will be happen. Anyhow, so this is the work, and see you later in the next time. If you want to do um, airdrop from this, if you want to do airdrop and getting announced first early, please join in our telegram channel link you will get from this video's description box. Every video description box has there. Okay, so check out and come into here. See you later.